Welcome to our roundup of the best sheet sanders, both cordless and corded. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker, a DIY enthusiast, or just getting into home projects, the right sheet sander can make all the difference in achieving smooth, professional finishes. We have selected 5 top-rated models that combine performance, comfort, and durability. We will break down their key features like motor power, ergonomics, dust collection, and versatility, so you can find the best fit for your workshop. Let's dive in. The first on the list is the Skill 7292 to 2002 1/4 sheet palm sander. This compact corded model is designed for users who want simplicity and reliability at an affordable price. With its 2-amp motor, it provides steady power for small to medium sanding tasks, making it great for furniture refinishing, cabinetry, and household projects. What makes it stand out is the pressure control technology, which alerts you when you apply too much force, ensuring an even finish without gouges. Another highlight is the built-in dust collection system with a microfiltration canister, which captures fine dust and keeps your workspace cleaner. At just 4 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even for longer sessions. The cushioned grip adds comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. Overall, the Skill 7292 to 2002 is a dependable choice for beginners or casual DIYers who want an affordable yet effective tool for smooth sanding results. Next up is the Makita XOB0 1Z 18V LXD cordless sheet sander. This cordless option is built for convenience and mobility, giving you freedom from power cords without sacrificing performance. It runs on Makita's reliable 18V LXD lithium-ion battery system, which is compatible with a wide range of other Makita tools. The standout feature here is the 3-speed settings, allowing you to choose between 11,000, 9,500, and 7,000 orbits per minute, making it versatile for both fine finishing and aggressive material removal. Additionally, the ergonomic rubberized grip ensures comfort and control, especially during longer projects. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and power. While the battery and charger are sold separately, most users appreciate its cordless flexibility and excellent runtime. Overall, the Makita XOB0 1Z is a great option for professionals or serious hobbyists who need a versatile and portable sander that delivers smooth, consistent finishes anywhere. Next, we have the Black Plus Dex 300 1/4 sheet orbital sander. This is a budget-friendly corded sander that is perfect for light to moderate projects around the home. Powered by a 2-amp motor, it delivers up to 16,000 orbits per minute, making it fast and efficient for removing paint, smoothing wood, or preparing surfaces for finishing. One of its biggest advantages is its compact and low-profile design, which allows you to get closer to the workpiece and into tight corners with ease. It also features a comfortable paddle switch, letting you turn the sander on and off with just one hand, which is very convenient when repositioning or working in awkward angles. At just under 4 pounds, it is easy to handle and reduces strain during longer tasks. While it may not have advanced features like variable speed or dust canisters, its performance and price make it an excellent value pick. Overall, the Black Plus Dex 300 is a practical and affordable option for occasional users who want a straightforward and reliable tool for everyday sanding jobs. Next up is the Makita Bio 3710 1/3 sheet finishing sander. This model is designed for precision and control, making it ideal for detailed finishing work on furniture, doors, and wood panels. Powered by a 1.7-amp motor, it delivers up to 11,000 orbits per minute, providing smooth and consistent performance for fine sanding tasks. Its standout feature is the ergonomic rubberized grip with a low-vibration design, which makes it much more comfortable for extended use compared to many competitors. It also includes a large 2-finger trigger switch with lock-on button, which enhances control and reduces fatigue. Dust management is another strength, with a built-in dust collection system and a fabric bag that keeps your workspace cleaner. At just 3.1 pounds, it is lightweight yet sturdy, offering a perfect balance of precision and maneuverability. Overall, the Makita Bio 3710 is a solid finishing sander for anyone who values control, comfort, and a high-quality finish on delicate projects. The last one on our list is the DeWalt DW6411K 1/4 sheet palm sander. Known for its durability and professional-grade build, this corded sander is packed with features for serious users. It runs on a 2.3-amp motor, delivering 14,000 orbits per minute for smooth, consistent results across a variety of surfaces. The highlight here is its improved dust-sealed switch, which prevents dust ingestion and extends the tool's lifespan, a major plus for frequent use in workshops. Another advantage is the high-quality dust port, designed to connect easily with vacuum hoses for superior dust collection and a cleaner workspace. At 2.9 pounds, it is one of the lightest in its class, yet it feels solid and stable during operation. The textured anti-slip top and body grip also improve comfort and control. Overall, the DeWalt DWE6411K is a tough, professional-grade palm sander that combines power, durability, and excellent dust management, making it a top choice for woodworkers and serious DIY enthusiasts. So that wraps up our list of the best sheet sanders, from lightweight cordless options to heavy-duty corded models. Each of these sanders has its own strengths. Whether you prioritize portability, affordability, precision, or durability, there is a perfect match for your workshop. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more gear reviews and guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy sanding.